Hello friends, my name is Carlos. I am from byweb.es, and in today's video I am going to explain how to create a map with several markers. Okay, and we're not going to use any plugin, and it's like a totally free tool. So, before getting into what the tutorial is, as always, I would appreciate it if you like the video you are going to see below, or the content I created. You will like it, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos. And I also invite you that if you have any doubts or questions, leave them in the comments. Okay, let's go with what the tutorial is and how we are going to do it. What tool are we going to use to make the map? Well, we're going to work with Google My Maps, so we're going to Google My Maps. And what we're going to do is create a new map. Okay, and then here, for example, if we want to create, we are going to work with several layers because we can do it by giving the layer a name. And then as we need different layers, we are creating the layers. In my case, I'm going to do it with a single layer. Okay, so how are we going to do it? Well, let's go here and look in the direction we want. We want to put in our first marker, for example. Okay, so to insert the marker, we tell it to add to the map. And once we have added, the marker allows us certain customization options. Okay, for example, allows us to customize the color of the marker. Okay, what else allows us to customize the bookmark icon? Okay, here's more. Or even if we want to upload a custom icon, we can do it from here. So for example, I'm going to put this accept OK. What more options does it allow us? It allows us to edit the bookmark card. Okay, for example, here we are going to give an example and define, give it a description. What else does it allow us? Well, it allows us to upload an image or a photo. Okay, we can upload it from one URL from Google Drive. In my case, I am going to upload it. Okay, we can even upload a YouTube video. Okay, here we see how it allows us to insert the YouTube video. Okay, I put the image of my dog. Okay, and here it's good to create. Routes, okay, if we want to define routes up to this point, we can do it, but in my case, I'm not going to do it. Is it then valid to create the different points of the different markers? Well, it is to repeat the operation. For example, I am going to put here we see what the marker would look like. We add it to the map, we customize it, blah, 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 blah. So it allows us to customize the type of map. So to do this, we will come here where it says base map and select the type of map. Okay, then to be able to insert it into our page, the first thing we must do is give permissions to share for them. We come here where it says share. Okay, we give it a title. Okay, if we wanted to insert a description, then we have to tell it here, be visible to anyone. Okay, and we close it and we give it to share nothing again. Here you can't see where this was. It was here to insert into my site. Okay, we copy the iframe and then we go where we want to insert it. For example, I'm going to do it here in Elementor, but hey, with an HTML widget that any layout designer carries, you can insert it. Okay, we insert it, and there we would see how our personalized map loads us. Okay, with the markers that we have selected and with the map that we have selected. Okay, in any case, here for example, we can define widths and heights. If we want to modify the width or height of the map, we can do it here in the width, with the width and with the height of the map. For example, I'm going to modify the height and I'm going to say, for example, 700. I'll put 7,000. Okay, if we update it, we check for changes, we'll see how the map is higher, okay? And if we click on the dots, it shows us the personalization data that we have given it. Okay, that's it for the video. I hope you liked that it helped you. It has been like this. Remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos. Doubts and questions in the comments. See you in future videos. See you later.